Huh? What is it? What is it?
How did she find this?
The Little Mermaid?
Trace?
Oh, what? Yes, yes. How'd you find it?
Look at how hard this puzzle is, Mom.
What?
What's that?
Oh.
Wow.
I rock.
Uh-huh.
You better savor that.
Katie!
That's the call.
Did you see what Cassie got?
Where'd you get that from?
Tracy.
I already have it.
You can't bring, you have to bring the Little Mermaid home then.
Okay.
Oh my God, Kate, what did you get? Oh my God.
Coloring books? Who's that from, Grandma?
Yeah.
Puzzle. You see her puzzle? Oh my God, you're gonna be forever.
Holy
doing
cow.
that,
Where, I was going to say,
Oh, wow.
how's she going to get that together?
Oh,
Who's that from?
Grandma.
Okay.
pretty good.
Another one.
Yeah, Dad said you were going to go buy it, and I'm like, okay.
Oh, I wasn't.
Oh, is that ever cute, Trace? Really
That
cute.
was good.
Probably warmer than
That is
Yeah, that's-
adorable. Oh my God.
That's
got you
really
that?
cute.
Tracy's got it.
What?
Tracy, that page.
Oh, look at
Oh,
Here,
you know what that is.
Tracy's treasures, huh?
Cute.
Dude, that's like.
You're setting up for college.
Jesse, look at.
Oh, Jessie's going to be
I
mad.
got this inside.
Oh.
This is mine's like
Oh, cute.
deal. And I got
Tracy get you that?
no April.
Oh,
That's cool.
that's really cute.
This is cool too.
Whoa.
Don't lose
I
that.
got $20 from Grandma.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Yeah, you probably owe us.
You owe me.
Oh, I don't.
All right. Oh.
Don't lose it in the mix.
I'm
Hey,
gonna
you
put
want me to
it
hang on
in
to
my.
that for you?
Okay, but when I get home, I'm gonna put it in my wallet.
Your wallet. Put it in
Yeah.
your
You
bag.
got a wallet?
But don't leave it on the floor, honey, because you might lose it. Emma.
I gave it to my dad.
Oh, did you? Oh, no, you didn't tell me. I was just saying.
What?
Oh,
Shampoo?
Hey,
Who's
Jeff.
this from?
Tracy.
I gotta stand up. Oh. Oh, that's cute. That's nice.
Yeah, I should wear my earrings with it.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Cool.
You're all set.
Will it fit? Hopefully.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh yeah, that'll fit.
They're hard to find.
That's
Yep.
cute. What is it stand for?
What is that, Jeff?
Oh, it's the twins, like the baseball
Oh, from
team.
Grandma? Oh,
Twin
nice.
Cities.
Oh, that's cute.
Because I got those earrings that Grandma
Oh,
Really?
There you go.
that's
You
cute.
have all the colors in there for you.
did. Yeah. I still can't believe you got this.
Oh, yep. Okay.
That's all you know. We want to see your stylish. She's got pajamas, twins jammies, twins jersey, sweatshirt, earrings. Jessie got her a hat. Got the whole.
Your turn.
Tracy.
Yeah.